Good day and welcome, Warriors. Today we're going to go over how to use our Hunter wheel balancer to do sticky weights on an aluminum wheel. A couple things as we get started. First, we want to make sure we've got a fully inflated tire. So we're going to grab our tire pressure gauge and check our tire pressure as we get started. If it's not the specification, we're going to stop and fully inflate our tire. Right now we're good. Also, we want to make sure we remove all of our old wheel weights. Alright, so we check to make sure there's no clip-on weights. This one we can see that we have some tape weights on it, so we're going to grab our pry here, go underneath it, and just pry those up. Please make sure that these go into the trash can as you complete your lab today. The other thing we got to take a look at is we've got a center cap on this wheel, so we want to press that out without breaking it. So I like to use the handle of a hammer or a pry bar like this, and just very gently tap it out. And then take care that we don't lose that. Now we're ready to go and mount our tire onto the tire machine. So we're going to grab our centering cone here, find a centering cone that fits inside, slide that onto it, and we're going to use a hub centric adapter here, and now we're going to use a lug centric adapter. So these need to line up with the bolt holes of our wheel, and that should be set up for you here on our machine. So this is going to hold it on lug centric and also make sure we don't scratch up our rim. Put it on the machine pretty side up. Try not to drag it on the spindle. Put on our adapter. Now as we do this, you'll notice it is now going to be too tall to use our wing nut here that has the cup on it. So we have our other wing nut here that we're going to use and spin that on. We need to make sure we have this on nice and tight. So we're going to use the foot pedal here at the bottom to lock it in place and make sure we have a nice tight setup here for our wheel. On our machine here, we're going to go and get ourselves set up for our wheel. So we're going to clear out all of our old data by pressing R twice. Going to go into balance, and right now we're set up for clip-on weights, so we're going to change that so we're set up for our regular tape weight. So we're going to press this up and down arrow here to bring our menu down. Over to the left side we're going to see our weights. We've got a couple setups here. We have auto, which is currently set up for. We've got the clip-on weights, we've got clip and tape, and then we've got tape. So we're going to set ourselves up for today for tape. Press OK. And now it's set up to go measure what we're looking for. So we're going to take our measurement tool now. This time it's going to flip upside down. Put it just inside where we want the weight to go. Press the foot pedal to lock in your data. And then we're going to do it again all the way in. Now it's giving you the option to align the spokes. For this time we're just going to put the weights in. We'll show that in a different video. And so now we are ready to go and spin our tire. So as we do so, we're going to lower our hood down. We're going to watch the tire as it goes around to make sure that it spins nice. We don't see any mounting issues, don't see any tire issues. And on the spin back here, it moves back without loosening the wing nut. So on this application, we only need to put weights on the inside. Sometimes we'll need it on the inside and the outside. So as we set this up here, guys, we're going to grab 1.75 ounces, which is going to be 7 quarters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Twist. And now we can put this on. So we're going to put it underneath on the inside, centered on our laser beam. If this was going on to a wheel that's being used, we would make sure that this mounting surface is nice and clean so that these stick-on weights don't go anywhere. Then we're going to close our hood and verify our work. This is what we're looking for, an okay. And now we take the tire off the machine. Put our adapters back on the other side here. And then we're going to put our center cap back in. Just press it in nice, flat, and even. And we're ready to go.